Hello everyone, let's learn English with me. Words for beginner learnings. Lesson 1, words. Start learning today and tomorrow. Content today has two: first, words; second, sentences. Bag, bag, bag. Book, book, book. Crayon, crayon, crayon. Eraser, eraser, eraser. Pen, pen, pen. Pencil, pencil, pencil. Pencil case, pencil case, pencil case. Ruler, ruler, ruler. Bag, I have a bag. I have a bag. Bag, I have a bag. Book, I have a book. Book, I have a book. Crayon, I have a crayon. Crayon, I have a crayon. Eraser, I have an eraser. Eraser, I have an eraser. Pen, I have a pen. Pen, I have a pen. Pencil, I have a pencil. Pencil, I have a pencil. Pencil case, I have a pencil case. Pencil case, I have a pencil case. Ruler, I have a ruler. Ruler, I have a ruler. Let's practice the word for yourself. Thank you for watching.